The Leukemia Society has been a great friend to us. It has shared with us a lot of knowledge, financial support, and most of all hope. The hope to find a cure. In gratitude, my family and I are here today to share with you the life of a family and a child with cancer. Rudy Cuellar. He was diagnosed when he was 5 years old with non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. In the first 2 years of diagnosis, he had 207 clinical visits, 29 hospital admissions, surgeries, blood transfusions, cranial radiation, and 620 days of chemotherapy. His 35 to 55 pound body was infiltrated with mass division of cells, with an army of 8 different fighting chemo drugs, along with backup medication to counter the ill effects. Into the 3rd year, he was healthy enough to attend school starting in the 2nd grade. Although both his legs were cast due to ill effects of the chemo, he was proud to attend. He has seen friends and relatives lose their fight as heroes, but despite much to overcome physically and emotionally, he remains happy, willing, and compliant. Today he's over 1 year off of chemo and soon to be a 4-year survivor. So please continue to help the Leukemia Lymphoma Society in helping our families, your friends, and their co-workers in conquering this uninvited intruder called cancer.
Each year, over 100,000 Americans face these life-shattering diagnoses of leukemia, lymphoma, or myeloma. More than 60,000 people will die of these diseases in the U.S. alone. That's 1 adult death every 9 minutes. Leukemia and lymphoma are the leading fatal cancers in men and women under the age of 35. Leukemia is the #1 killer of children 14 and under.
And our objective is to find a cure. Not just understand it better, find a cure.
Now, more than ever, your support will save lives.
To find out more about childhood cancer, call the Cancer Center Council at 210-616-5514 or contact the following organizations.